Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone is not ringing on incoming calls problem. So the first fix is to check the silent button. Ensure that the silent button on the side of the iPhone is not showing red. If it is showing red, that means silent mode is on. Turn it off. The second fix is to increase the volume. If your volume is low, make sure the ringtone volume is turned up. The third fix is to turn off focus mode. Scroll down and check if the focus mode is enabled. If it is, turn it off. Now the fourth fix is to disable silence unknown callers. To do this, go to settings and go to phone. In apps, go to phone. Scroll down and you will find this option silence unknown callers and make sure it is turned off. The fifth fix is to check your ringtone. To do this, go to settings again and this time go to sound and haptics and tap on ringtone and make sure your ringtone is turned on and on full volume. So these are the fixes. If still you are facing the issue, the sixth fix is to unblock a contact. You have maybe blocked the contacts. So go to contacts and select the contact you think may be blocked and ensure the unblocked this caller option is not displayed. You can also do it from phone app. Go to apps, tap on phone and tap on block contacts and remove from here. Unblock the contacts. The seventh fix is to check Bluetooth connection. Long press on Bluetooth icon and ensure you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices like headphones or speaker, as incoming calls may only ring on the connected device. If still you are facing the issue, the last and final fix is to reset all settings. Go to your settings, tap on general, tap on reset, transfer reset and tap on reset all settings and your problem will be fixed. That's it.